Hello, in front of me I've got Volkswagen Passat. In this video I'll show you how to navigate through instrument cluster. In the beginning, take a look at the right side of the on the steering wheel. Right here we've got the left-right buttons, thanks to which we can change menu on the instrument cluster. Thanks to button up-down, we can navigate through the selected instrument cluster menu. And thanks to view button, we can quickly switch the menus. Now what we can find here. Firstly, we can find driving data, assist systems, navigation, audio, telephone, and vehicle status. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.